Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to discuss with you a very common question. The question is that how to be fluent in English. So this is a very common question asked by every English learner, how to be fluent in English, and every English learner who wants to be fluent in English. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you how did I learn this language, because there are in 3 months ago I had not spoken a single word of English. Okay, so how did it possible to learn this language so quickly? Which type of tips and tricks I have used? So in this video I'm going to share with you everything. Okay, so friends, this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner. So don't skip the video, watch the video right till the end. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to say you, if you want to fluent in English, if you want to learn any kind of language, any kind of skill, so you have three things. What are they? They are attitude, second is skill, and third is knowledge. Simple way to learn this thing is ask attitude, skill or knowledge. Okay, so English speaking, I know the majority of you have enough knowledge of English. You can if you attentively listening this video, that means you have enough knowledge of English. Okay, you can read English, you can write English, you can understand English, but you are not speak out because you have a knowledge. You have not two things. First thing is attitude, and the second thing is skill. You have a knowledge, okay, but you have not two things. So what you need to do to learn this language? You have a first thing, take this language. Yes, in next 100 days I am going to learn this language. Next 100 days I am going to speak in English. Okay, take a good decision, take a first attitude challenge. Okay, the next 100 days I am going to learn this language. No matter what, if I do mistakes, no matter what if I do mistakes and I can't continue my conversation, yeah, if I not doing good in English, so if people laugh, so let them laugh. Okay, you don't think, you don't worry about others thinking. Okay, take a good decision. Yes, the next 100 days I am going to speak in English. Okay, so this is a attitude challenge. And the second thing is, in a attitude challenge, second thing what you need to do, first thing, you take this language as a language, not enough that, enough more that. Okay, first take this language as a language. Okay, if you take this language enough more that, so you feel every time low confident. Okay, take this language as a language, because any language, it's a long process. It's not a one night process. It's not a 7-day challenge. Okay, if you take 7 days challenge, okay, the next 7 days, the next 30 days, okay, it help you to speak in English, but you are not perfect in English in the 7 days and 30 days. Okay, it's a long process. So take this language as a language and learn this language. Become a child. As a child, think you, I would ask you one question. How did you learn your mother tongue? How did you learn your mother tongue? Okay, were you going to any institute to learn your mother tongue? Were you are going to school to learn your mother tongue? No, You were not. So, how did you learn your mother tongue? You learned your mother tongue by your surroundings. You just heard with your mother, father, elder brother, elder sister, okay, and after that you copied them, okay, and after 2 or 3 when you were the age of 2 or 3, so you can easily capable to express your thoughts in your mother tongue. So how did it possible? It possible because you make, okay, because you heard then copied them and just speak out in a broken mother tongue, okay, okay. So and at that time you had not developed ego, okay, in your mind. So if you were doing mistakes in speaking terms, so at that time you had not developed ego in your mind. But in today you have ego if you are doing different kind of mistakes while speaking in English. So you feel that someone asked, someone laugh at you, someone laugh at your English, someone mock of you. Because of that, because of this, you are not going to speak in English. So this is not a appropriate reason to not speaking in English, okay. So what you need to do, first you need to become as a child and learn this language as your mother tongue, okay. This is not your native language, this is a secondary language. First think, keep in your mind, this is a secondary language, always keep in your mind, okay. So and take this language as a language. Yes, I am going to learn this language. The next 100 days I am going to speak in English no matter what. If people laugh at me, so let them laugh. I will give advance, announce them that I will give you a lot of chance to laugh at my English, but after laughing please give me some suggestion. If I do mistakes, so give me some suggestion, okay. So you can easily learn this language, okay, easily. So what you need to do, first you take a good attitude challenge, and after that take this language as you can learn, as you learn your mother tongue, okay. So two things you have to do in your learning period. And the next thing which I'm going to share with you in this video is that stop mechanic approach, start driver approach. What is mechanic approach? Okay, mechanic approach, a mechanic can't know everything, the car, okay, and any kind of vehicle. Mechanic know everything, but the driver can't. But who can drive the vehicle? A driver can drive a vehicle more effectively than the mechanic, you know. So unfortunately we all the race of becoming a mechanic. So stop doing that. I'm not saying that grammar is not important. No, grammar is important. I mean, we all know everything in English. We all know nuts and bolts of English, but we are not express our thoughts in English. We are not capable to express our thoughts in English, okay. So what should we do to become fluent in English? First thing is becoming, take this approach, driver approach. Stop mechanic approach, okay. Okay, grammar is very important. I'm not saying it is not important, it is important, but you have enough knowledge of English. We read English in the class, from the class of third, so we have enough knowledge of English. It is enough to express our thoughts, it is enough. So what you need to do to become fluent in English, you need to pick a driver approach. Yes, in the next 100 days I am going to speak in English no matter what. Okay, you know everything English, there is everything in your mind. You just start to use that by speaking out. Okay, so this is a third tip which I gave you, and the next thing is that I'm going to share with you. Take don't think ashamed that I don't know how to speak in English. Why are you so thinking? Okay, it is just like if you are not born in Kerala, so you cannot speak Malayalam. If you are not born in Tamil, so you are not speaking Tamil. Just like that, you are not born in English country, so you are not speaking English. So why are you worrying that? Why are you thinking that? Okay, it is a secondary language, and keep this thing keep in your mind every time. Not give so bother to learn this language. Pick this language as a language, not enough more that. Okay, so this is a tip which I gave you in this video. So the next thing which I'm going to share with you in this video is that take this language as a sentence based language. Okay, I mean to say, stop using words, start using sentences. Okay, because there are lots of words. Okay, there are lots of words. How can to learn every words in English? It is not possible. If you learn sentences, okay, which is situation based, so you can easily speak out, you can easily express your thoughts in English. For example, in the morning time, when you are wake up, so you need to have some sentences in English, and for the help of those sentences you can easily express your daily routine. You can easily describe your daily routine. Okay, so pick some sentences which is useful for you, which is usable in your life. Not run towards the words which is hardly used in our daily lives. Okay, pick the some sentences which is daily use, which is always used in your daily routine life. So for what you need to do, first you pick different kind of sentences, situation based sentences. For example, for in a morning time, I need some sentences in English to describe my daily routine. And when we are going to market, when we are going to grocery shop, so where I need some sentences, with the help of I can easily take some things. Okay, with the help of those sentences I can easily I am going to give any kind of going to give order to find to find something. So this is very important to pick whole sentences. Okay, and when once you do that, so you can easily find confidence. Okay, but once you collect different sentences, okay, take 5 sentences every day. Okay, 5 sentences every day, and start thinking how can you use these sentences in your daily routine. Okay, if you are going to verse and you meet your friend, so what you need to some sentences and to express your thought, to appreciate him or her. So find these sentences, okay, which is helpful for you. So this is my fifth tips. What is this? Stop using sentences and start learning. Stop using words and start learning sentences. Okay, so every day you can learn 5 sentences, minimum 5 sentences, and after 2 or 3 days you can revise them. you can revise them. Okay, why I am saying that? Because once you revise them again and again, so after some times your knowledge, the sentences, your knowledge of English automatically become skill. So in a previous uh, so in the beginning, in the beginning of this video, I have told you that you need to, I have told you that you need to three things. What are they? Attitude, skill, or knowledge. So you have a knowledge. So what you need to do to follow, learn this any kind of skill, you need to attitude challenge. So you take a challenge. So in the next 100 days I am going to learn this language. And after, what is skill? When you are doing using of sentences in your daily life, and you are speak out those sentences again and again, so your knowledge will turn into the skill. So this is skill. You can easily find this language, you can easily speak in English everywhere. Okay, after some times, after some months, after some years, you will be fluent in English. Okay, so this is a method which I have used in my learning periods. So friends, this is a wonderful methods. So friends, I hope you like my video. I hope these tips which I have given you in this video, so it will help you. Okay, so if it will help you, then please write in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I hope, and so friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.